Well, hello everybody, welcome back to kind of a bright, glary, sunshiny day here, and I thought I'd bring you along as I'm taking a look at my state-of-the-art, super low-tech chicken composter, just to kind of see how things are coming along over the course of the winter. We got all this snow on the ground. I'm really curious to see kind of, well, what temperatures it's at on the surface and maybe deep inside, so yeah. Taking a quick look at some of these ladies here. For the most part, they're starting to look a lot better. We're going to be taking a closer look at them on Wednesday, once they've been with us for an even number of weeks. But anyway, that'll be on the farm channel. Today we're talking compost because it's all about gardens around here. And this is kind of what's going on with our compost. You can see in the middle there where we've been dumping our kitchen scraps. And yeah, we leave the coffee filters right in there. I figure worst case scenario, I can pull them out for fire starters next spring and summer. The ladies have been doing a pretty good job working over the surface of all this, but that's pretty firm. So I don't think we are currently cooking much, at least not on the surface. Try and force that puppy down in there. We'll give it a minute or two. I don't think it's at 200 somehow. Anyway, we'll give that a minute or two and just see what comes of it. While I run inside, grab that temperature gun that I've got in the kitchen. Alright, looking at the temp gun, we're looking at 14, 18 degrees, depending on where in the pile I hit that. So let's see how Betty's doing. Huh. Chicken's gonna chase the laser? Is that cat quality? Well, that's a whole different video. Anyway, so I want to dig into this with the pitchfork, see if we can find any of that steam we had going the other day. And I'm noticing there's still no positive change there. Alright, ladies. Well, make room. I swear you little birds poop more than the dog does. Let's get this safely tucked away. And break through this crust. Oh, that's not too bad. A little crusty, but kind of softens up a little bit. Well, that's not too bad at all. There's that temp gun. Survey says, well, that's 22 versus what, 14, 18. That's a little bit warmer, but not much. Now, I believe it was Brother Troll who pointed out compost pile's got to be like basically 3 foot by 3 foot or 4 foot by 4 foot to stop from freezing. And I'm going to have to agree that's probably very correct. It's too bad you guys can't see what I see. All the chickens are hanging around underneath the tripod there. See that Bunty? Because Bunty's all brave and stuff, right? Grr, bravest little chicken. What'd you find there? This one's actually getting to be quite chill. Voted most likely to take a petting in the middle of a video. Bunty! Anyway. Keep on digging here. Whoop. Hit the feeder on that one. Guess I need to move that out of the way. Relax, Patches. Now there's the chicken who worries too much. The edge of this is definitely frozen solid. Makes sense though, I guess there's no insulation there. See what we got for a temperature there. Oh yeah, 16, higher up in the pile, 11, not good, not good. 8 over there. And then we'll check it on the sideboards of the compost itself. That says 6, just for the record. I'm going to dig this up a little bit more, change the camera angle. We'll be right back. Alright, Scoot, I'm digging here. See what we can get out of the back of this mess. and or how far down we can get into it. Ultimately, I just kind of want to turn this thing anyway, so. Ooh. Let's see if I can clear that out so you guys can see it on camera there. That's kind of nice and soft and squishy. That temperature we got there. Inside the, ooh, 30 degrees. In the darkest part of that pile, what we got there? 17, 15. Well, I hit 30 degrees at one point, which is what, just below freezing. So still not quite big enough, but pretty much using all the space I got here. The way I see it, no matter what, this is going to mix their poop through everything. Hopefully break some stuff down that way. Just going to have to see what this looks like in the spring. But it does give me something to do on these cold, useless days. Otherwise, not like I can do anything else in the garden. Ooh, I got a puff of steam there. 25. 29. The steam was a lie. Where are you going? Alright, Betty, what are you going to do now? Alright, I guess I'm stopped for a second. I never did find anything that would be considered above freezing. I had a 33 for a brief moment. But then I lost it. Very elusive. I think this is done for the season. But I'm still going to try and turn it as often as I can until it freezes rock solid on me. So I can at least try and keep it aerobic. Yes, Bunty? You know you're right in the way, right? Fearless little chicken, this one. Not sure if she's showing up on the camera or not. But either way, I got work to do, little hen. Move your butt. Move your butt. Alright, I gotta show you guys this if I can. Look. Yeah. Biting all the time. So here's Bunty, right there. I'm trying to work on the pile. She's all like, just hanging out. Oh, thanks, Patches, that helps. Alright. Anywho, so I'm going to keep trying to mix this as often as I can, which was my point here. Oh, look, found a nail. Brutal. And try and keep it a nice, healthy, active compost pile. And even though I do think it is done for the year, I still think this is the most effective composting I've done since I've been out here. And I thank the chickens for it. I don't know if it's because of them being out here and moving it around all the time, or making their waste on it, or because I made a little greenhouse structure for it. But somewhere in all that, this is looking pretty nice. Alright, well, this was nowhere near as interesting as I was hoping. Was really kind of hoping to see some higher temperatures in that compost. But at least I've been able to turn it like I've been saying, and always good to spend some time with the chickens. So, yes, like I say, I will keep turning this, keep flying away at it, trying to build myself a nice compost pile for next year's gardens. Not much else I can do as far as outdoor gardening, so I guess next time we'll be coming back at it from the basement. Oh, that little bugger was into those seeds again, so Troll, I have taken your advice and hunted down those particular rodent traps you suggested. They are on my wish list and will probably be on their way as soon as I get that refund from that stupid garden thing. So, yeah. Alright. I will see you guys later, I think. I'm out. Take care, everybody. Yeah, sure. Looks good now. This will be trashed by the end of the day. No point in denying it. Yeah, exit stage right.